Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the correct metal yarn and confirming gauge. Choose 0. 3 to 1 mm for common needles. Feed the yarn into the guide slot, and as you do, keep steady tension so coils don't kink. Once done, secure the tail with tape or a tiny clamp. This prevents backtracking while you work. Make sure to smooth any sharp edges on the guide, otherwise metal fibers will snag and fray the yarn, reducing strength and finish. You now route the yarn through the guide and manage tension intentionally. Hold the guide at a slight angle to create a gentle curve, which reduces friction. Apply a steady amount of pressure. Use a tensioner or your finger to keep feed consistent. Inconsistent tension causes uneven stitches. Once done, watch for twisting. If twist builds, rotate the spool a quarter turn to correct it. Make sure to pause and inspect the thread path. You finish by trimming and securing the working end. Cut frays at a 45-degree angle and rethread to ensure smooth entry. Once done, slowly run a few test stitches to confirm feed and tension are consistent. Adjust the tensioner in small, quarter increments until stitches even out. If you encounter snags or breakage, inspect the guide for burrs and clean with a fine file, then retest. Make sure to keep spare yarn and a cleaning kit nearby for quick fixes during longer projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.